What's up, everyone? I'm at Dick's Sporting's Good. Just came to a few stores. I figured, you know what, let me check them out. They're a little pricey, but they got good stuff. They got nice stuff in here. See if I can find anything worth filming. It's a nice store. I prefer the Bass Pro Shops versus this, but you can check out what they got. They got some nice stuff. Nice sunglasses, some Ray-Bans and some other name brand, nice Garmin stuff, Fitbits. I got all kinds of clothing and stuff. I don't know if I could find anything worth filming. They multi-tools. Really don't know where anything much is around in this store. They got a huge selection of stuff though. Some nice t-shirts, Under Armour t-shirts. Nice stuff. I know there's an upstairs and a downstairs. They're pricey, but they got nice stuff. Nice sneakers. Nice comfortable sneakers. Let's see what's up here, over here by the fishing stuff. Oh, there's some multi-tools. I'll take a quick, because I don't want to run through this whole store. Got a lot of stuff here. They got Gerber. Oh, they got a bunch of stuff. They got Gerber Strong Arm. Great knife. Very nice, balanced knife from what I heard. Nice texture on it. Gerber Strong Arm. They got a Gerber machete. They got a Gerber multi-tool. I haven't seen this one. This is an older one, Trist. 49. Not bad. This is like the, what do you call that? Suspension. It's like the suspension. Nice power. You know, this is one of the top #1 best-selling. This is one of the #1 best-selling pocket knives. I mean, this one right here, Paraframe. I didn't think it was that nice, but actually the full-size one is. They got a SOG machete. CRKT. Got a nice buck knife. Not bad. USA made. $24. That's not a bad price for it. It's USA made. Nice EDC knife. Nice size. Real nice. Real nice knife. A lot of the older models. Cryo 2, Cryo, the original one, Kershaw, Buck 110. I don't know what that is. Got some knife sharpeners. Not bad selection. Not bad selection at all. Got one of those gift boxes in Walmart. You see these? Not bad. I haven't seen this one in Lowe's or... this is nice. Not bad. Comes with a pouch. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. There's the other. There's the Gerber dime. This thing fell apart on me, but it's a nice little multi-tool, lightweight. Gerber dime. So yeah, that's what they got in here. Not bad. Not bad. I'm a little impressed that they even have this. Comes with that nice sheet for it. Not bad. Think this is made in the U.S. too. Yeah, made in the U.S. Made in the U.S. Great knife. That's a great knife. Anyway, yeah, that's what's in Dick's Sporting Good. I just wanted to come in here. A lot of fishing stuff. Come in here quick. Look at that. Got a lot of nice boots, sneakers, Merrells. Merrells, they're great for the winter. Some New Balance. New Balance. Got a nice selection. I don't want to start filming. I'm just going to head out. I got a couple other things I got to get doing. So yeah, I'm in Dick's Sporting Good. Everybody, that's what they got. Some Gerber knives, sporting good stuff. Thought that was a person. Hey. Yeah, they got good stuff. Anyway, I'm on my way out of here. Everyone have a great day. Peace out.